This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix fabric error code 1. This specific error often indicates a minor software glitch, which is usually quite simple to resolve at home. We will start by identifying the common causes, like temporary data corruption, and then move through effective troubleshooting steps. You can typically get your device working smoothly again in just a few minutes, avoiding professional repair costs. First, please confirm that your device has a stable power supply. Carefully inspect all power cables, making sure they are securely plugged into both the device and the wall outlet. Sometimes, a simple full disconnection and reconnection of these cables can clear a temporary electrical issue. Also, ensure your power source provides adequate wattage, preventing underpowering that might trigger such errors. Next, a full system restart is often a very effective solution for clearing many temporary errors. Please power down your device completely, ensuring it is not just in standby mode. Allow it to remain powered off for at least 30 seconds. This gives internal components time to fully discharge and reset. Afterward, power it back on and observe if the error code 1 has disappeared. Outdated drivers or software are frequent culprits behind communication errors like fabric error code 1. Visit your device manufacturer's official website to check for the very latest driver and software updates specifically for your model. Download and install any available firmware or software patches, following all on-screen instructions carefully. Additionally, verify that your operating system is fully up to date to ensure proper compatibility with all components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.